Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our second question. So that tan 48 degrees and tan 16 degrees and tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees equal to 1. So here, by looking itself, you can see what combinations we will get it as 90 degrees. That is complementary angles. Sum of any two angles will be equal, then you can say complementary angles. So 48 with that combination 42. So 48 plus 42, we will get it as what? 90 degrees. So 42, 90 degrees. Whenever they will give like this, we need to check it further which combination we will get it as 90 degrees, and tan 16, tan 74 degrees as what is that? 90 degrees. So these two combinations we will get it as 16 plus 74, we will get it as 90 degrees. So let's take both are assigned. So first one, tan 48 into what is that? Tan 48 into tan 42. That one, and tan 16 into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. So this is LHS and this is RHS. Let's take LHS is, so LHS, that is tan 48 degrees, tan 42 degrees. So let's divide this into two combinations, two parts. Again, we are going to multiply finally. So what is this one is? First part, let's take this part. Tan 48, tan 42. So what answer we will get? Tan 48 into tan 42. Let's going to write tan 48 is in the format of what you can say tan 90 minus 42 into tan 42 degrees. So what is the formula of tan 90 minus theta? So tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. Then cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta. So these formulas we will going to use it here. So let's going to use this one, cot 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees. Then what is this? 1 by tan 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees. So let's going to cancel all these values. What is that? So finally we will get it as 1. So this is the value of 1. So you can write this one. Let's going to take another combination. So what is another combination here is, let's take it this one. So first part and second part. So second part I am taking tan 16 degrees, tan 74 degrees. So we are written first value as tan 90 minus 74, what is that? Tan 16. Then tan 74 degrees. So we will get it as, what is this? Tan 90 minus 74, you will get it as cot 74 degrees. Then tan 74 degrees. So what is this? Cot 74, 1 by tan 74 into tan 74 degrees. So this one we are going to cancel now itself. So this combination we are going to cancel. What is this? So tan 74 into, so that is cancel. Then what answer? We will get it as 1. Then what is this here is left side. Let's going to write it this one, left side. Tan 48 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 74 degrees. We will get it as 1 into 1. This is 1. So this is RHS. So for this same problem, we can go with the another method. So what is the another method is, let's take it. What is that? We will see this for this same question, we'll go in the another method. So let's take, as we know, this one 48 and 42 as one combination and this one. So let's take it tan first combination with this, tan 48 and tan 42. So both will be equal. Then next one, another combination, tan 16, tan 74. So let's take first part. As I told here, let's take it here, tan 48 write as it is. Then tan 42, we can write it in the format of tan 90 minus 48 into, let's write same as is, tan 16 degrees into tan 90 minus 16 degrees. So as we know, what we know that, so tan 48 right like that, tan 90 minus 48, we will get it as cot 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Tan 90 minus 16 will be cot 16 degrees. So as we know, what is the thing here as? So tan 48, write as it is. Cot 48 is 1 by tan 48 into tan 16 degrees into 1 by tan 16 degrees. So here this will going to cancel tan 48, tan 48, tan 16, tan 16. Then what we will get it? 1 into 1, that is 1. This is RHS. So like this also we can find the first question. Thanks for watching. Next see second one. Let's see our second one. What is that? It is unlike 90 minus degrees. Let's see the first one unlike that. So LHS will be equal to what is that? Cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. So this is the combination with this. What you can say here is, let's going to find out cos 36 and cos 54. Let's take this part. So this one we are going to take it as cos of 90 minus 54 into cos of 90 minus 36. Can you write like this or not? For 36 is 54. Then minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. So cos 90 minus theta, what is that? Since cos 90 minus theta, we will get it as sin theta. That is the value. So let's take cos 90 minus 54 here, sin 54 degrees. Cos 90 minus 36 is sin 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. Since both are equal values, so these are both are equal, then let's going to cancel this too. Then what answer we will get? We will get it as 0. This is RHS. Same like this only, let's going to convert another method. What is that? LHS with the same combination. We'll go with the another method we will do with this sign values. Let's going to write cos 36 cos 54 as it is. Then sin 36 we can write it in the format of 90 minus 54. Then sin 90 minus 36. So for 36 we are written 90 minus 54 and 54 in the place of 90 minus 36. Since as we know what is the combination, what is the formula of this? So the formula for this, since sin 90 minus theta, we will get it as cos theta. Cosine theta you can say like that also. Cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 90 minus 54 is, we can get it as cosine 54 then cosine 36. Since both are same values, so these both are equal values, then what you can say here is, let's going to cancel both the values. So cancel it, sin 36 and sin 54. Sorry, cos 36 cos 54 minus cos 54 cos 36. Since what answer we will get? So answer will be equal to 0. So this is RHS. Since we are wrote both the methods. Like this we have to think it and move on this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please try to share with your friends and family members.